Hey everybody, this is our metric conversions unit or video. Okay, this is King Henry. He's about to drink some chocolate milk. He probably shouldn't do that. It's pretty dangerous for him because King Henry dies by drinking chocolate milk. Okay, this stands for the prefixes for our metric units. So when we start with the B, the by, that means our base unit. We have a couple of base units that we're going to be using a lot this year. One is grams. We're going to use grams to measure mass. The other one is liters. We use liters to measure the volume of a liquid. And the other one is meters. We use meters to measure distance. We're going to symbolize grams with a lowercase g, liters with a capital L, and meters with an M. Okay. These are different prefixes that we're going to put on our base units. The K stands for kilo. So we could have things like kilograms or kiloliters or kilometers. H stands for hecto. D stands for deca. The other D on this side of the base unit is deci, then centi, then milli. Okay, the prefixes for these, the symbol for kilo is K, hecta is H, deca is DA, deci is just a D, centi is C, and milli is M. So if we have something that's km, that would be kilometers. If we have something that's cm, that's centimeters. So that's how that works. We're going to put these prefixes on the base symbol. So what we're trying to learn is how do we convert between, say, meters and kilometers or meters and centimeters. That's what this video is about. So on your worksheet, this metric conversions worksheet, we're going to start with number 1. We're just going to run you through a first 3 and give you how I want you to show your work during those, and then I'm going to give you a little bit of work time before I give you a second video to do the rest of them. Okay, so number 1, our conversion. We start with 3,770 milliliters. We want to get liters. So to set this up, we have to know what we have and what we want. So we have to multiply what we have by a certain ratio to get what we want. Okay, so what we have, what we want. What we want, we're going to put this unit on the top of our fraction that we're multiplying by. So we want liters. We have milliliters. So we're going to take what we have and we're going to put that unit on the bottom as well. So milliliters, what we were given, we're going to make sure that that same units is in that denominator because then our units cancel. Okay, so now we got to find our ratio. Okay, so milliliters is right here. Milliliters is 0.001 of our liters. Okay, so that means that there are 1,000 milliliters in every 1 liter. Okay, so if we take 3,770, multiply that by our 1 liter divided by 1,000 milliliters, we're going to get, this is going to equal 3.77 liters. Okay, the other thing we need to do is we need to make sure we have the right number of significant digits. Okay, so the significant digits we need to know how many are in our original measurement. So this is our original measurement. How many significant digits do we have? We look for that decimal. The decimal is absent, so we start on our right side, we draw our arrow, we have 3 significant digits. So our answer better have 3 significant digits. And it does. We have 1, 2, 3 non-zero numbers, so that's 3 significant digits. Okay, we're going to do number 2. Number 2, we have 3,240 milligrams, and that equals grams. So we want to know how many grams. We have milligrams, we've measured that out. We want to get to grams. So to do this, we're going to take our number, our measurement, 3,240 milligrams. We're going to multiply that. Okay, so we take what we have, we're given that, we put that down, what we want, that goes on the top. Okay, so now we got to see how many milligrams are in a gram. I'm doing the wrong number. That's okay. This is number 5. We'll do number 5 this way as well. Okay, so we have 0.001 milligrams per gram. So that gives us, this is the tenths, hundredths, thousandths. That means there's 1,000 milligrams per 1 gram. If we multiply this out, we get 3.240 milligrams. Okay, then we got to check our significant digits. How many significant digits in our original measurement? So there's no decimal. So we start at the rightmost side, draw our line. There are 3 significant digits. Okay, so let's look at our number right here. How many significant digits do we have? We have a decimal, so we start at the leftmost side, draw our arrow. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 significant digits. So we need to change this so that there's 3. I can do that by just dropping my 0. We round, okay? So 0 means that 4 will stay the same. We're rounding to 3 significant digits. 3.24 grams would be our answer, okay? Let's try one more. So we're going to do number 3. Okay, number 3, we'll start with 37 grams, and that equals how many kilograms? So we have 37 grams. We're going to set up our ratio. We have 37 grams. We have to multiply it by something over something to get our answer. So we're given grams. That's what they give us. So we want to put grams at the top, bottom. What we want to find is kilograms. So we're going to put that on the top, or the numerator. Okay, so then we have to say how many kilograms are in 1 gram. Okay, so we have, if we look at our grams, kilo is 1,000. That means there's 1,000 grams per 1 kilogram. So we have 1,000 grams per 1 kilogram. So we're going to multiply this out, and we get 0.0037 kilograms. Okay, so now we need to check our significant figures. How many do we have up here? We have 2. Remember, all non-zero numbers are significant. So we have 2 significant digits. So our number here has to have 2 significant digits. So we have a decimal. So we start at the leftmost non-zero number, draw our line. Both of these are significant. So that would be a good way to report. That's how we would report it. 0.0037 kilograms would be our answer for that. Okay, please do numbers 2. We did 3, so 2 through 12 on your metric measurement conversion practice. When you finish that, then you can watch the next video.